Triple of the bird. The devil. Uppercut. Smile. Hey, open up.
Standing on the edge of the universe, looking down at us on this wasted earth. Oh, we're going on down, all the way down to write that final verse. Now on the seventh day of Aquarius, when the Son of Man judges all of us. Oh, we're going on down, all the way down to the center of the earth, center of the earth. Cyclone is coming, so stop your running. There's no stopping the sky from falling down. Take a second breath.